last week I showed you guys an updated video on my DIY suspension trainer, the Prusik trainer, one of my favorite DIY projects. Naturally, some of you were saying, Matt, what about foot slings? What do you got for that? Glad you asked, because my DIY foot slings are some of the best inventions I've ever made. As a quick reminder, just like my Prusik trainer, my DIY quick adjust foot slings are also available in my book, Smart Bodyweight Training. There's a link down below if you want to check that book or any of the other books in the RDP library available on Amazon. Now, in most cases, you could just simply take a nylon strap with a buckle, feed it through the handle, and boom, you got a simple foot sling that you can use. It's fairly portable and it works okay. But this other design that I've got is way better. It's gonna make all your foot suspended exercises much safer, more secure, and a hell of a lot more effective. I introduce you to my quick adjust foot slings. These quick adjust foot slings are real simple to make. All they need is two pieces. First one is real simple. This is a T-junction joint of PVC that you can get at any hardware store, 1 inch diameter. You'll need two of these. The second piece is simply a length of nylon strap known as a simple sling that's available at strapworks.com. It is 3 feet long by 1 inch wide, and it has 1 inch holes sewn into each end. And again, you'll need two of those. Construction is very simple. You just simply feed the strap into the top of the PVC, down around the bottom, and then back up and through the top end. Attachment is real easy. You just feed some sort of a rope through the two handles, tie it off with a bowline knot, or if you like something that you can quickly attach to your Prusik trainer, a carabiner will do, and then you clip it onto the handle knot of the Prusik trainer. But before you rush out and make one of these things, let me explain why it's 10 times better than any other foot sling that you're gonna find out on the market today. The reason why this works so well is because suspension foot equipment requires 2 points of contact. The first point is the actual strap itself, which either goes against your instep when you're facing towards the floor, or the back of your heel when you're facing up for exercises like hamstring curls. The other point of contact is the handle or some sort of a hard support that goes against either the base of your heel when you are facing towards the floor or the ball of your foot when you're facing up from the floor. Right off the bat, you can see in these illustrations that doing this in an optimal position requires a different size loop for each position. Not to mention the fact that we all have different sized feet. You shouldn't be forced to use the same size loop any more than you should be forced to use the same size shoes. Being able to have an optimal position for both the support and the strap ensures that you have, one, as much tension as possible in the supporting muscles. So when you're facing down, you can dorsiflex and get tension into the shin muscles, or when you're facing up, tension in your calves. But it's also about safety and security, because pressing as much as you can into that support gives your foot a locked-in sensation so that you can move, shift, and move your body however you like, and your foot's not gonna slide, roll, or slip through anything and compromise the integrity of the exercise. My quick adjust foot slings have the ability to adjust to any size you could possibly need, because the PVC pipe automatically slides up and down to whatever height to adjust the size of that loop that you need. Once you put any sort of weight onto that strap with your foot, then that PVC slide locks into place and there's no way it's going to be moving on you during the exercise. Having this adjustable loop also makes it much easier to get in and out of the exercise for face-down exercises like planks and mountain climbers. So there you go, my quick adjust foot slings, quick, simple, easy, secure, and very effective. Let me know if you have any questions down below in the comments section, and what are some of your favorite exercises that you like to do with suspension strap foot slings. Please share along with the RDP community. I love hearing from you. Till then, be fit, live free.